In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Monday.com account so you're on your main workspace. From there, look toward the top left and click the plus icon to create something new. We're going to build a place to manage all your social content, so choose board when the menu appears. To make this quick and clean, select Start with Template rather than starting from scratch. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type Social Media Planner. You'll see a ready-made board designed for scheduling, tracking, and collaborating on posts. Click the Social Media Planner option to preview it, then choose Use Template. If prompted, pick the workspace where you want it to live and confirm the default settings so it loads into your account. With your new board open, take a minute to tailor the columns to your process. Keep the core ones that matter, like status for stages such as draft, in review, scheduled, and live. Add a date column for the planned publish date, a people column to assign owners, and a text or long text column for captions and links. A drop-down column is handy for choosing platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok, and a files column lets you attach images or videos. Rename columns so your team immediately understands what to put where, and keep your status colors consistent across groups to reduce confusion. Next, explore the different views to see your plan from multiple angles. The table view is great for editing details in bulk. Switch to a calendar view to spot gaps in your weekly or monthly schedule. Try Kanban to track posts by stage, and use a timeline or Gantt view to see campaigns that span multiple days. Filters are your friend here. Save a view that shows each owner only what they need, or isolate a specific platform to stay organized. To streamline your process, add simple automations. A reliable one is when the status changes to live, move the item into a completed group. This keeps your main board focused on what's active without any manual cleanup. You can also trigger reminders before a publish date or notify an assignee when a task moves to review so nothing slips. Finally, connect your tools. Integrations with services like Dropbox or Adobe Creative Cloud make it easy to attach and update creative assets directly from your board. Sync only what you need, confirm permissions, and keep file names clear so collaborators can find the right versions fast. And that's it. Log in, spin up the social media planner template, customize columns, use the right views, add smart automations, and integrate your creative tools for a smooth end-to-end workflow.